it's Deborah from the future. I am literally just popping in to say hey. I forgot to start out the vlog by saying hello in this vlog, so that's why I'm doing it now. My hand is definitely shaking. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to say hi to you guys. I forgot to open up the vlog, so hi. I'm in front of my Christmas tree because the Christmas tree is up. It's the first vlog of Christmas period. I do hope to be vlogging a little bit more, but I'm just trying to take it easy. So my minimum right now is doing 1 video each week, but I'm going to try and bump it up to 2 videos a week. So yeah, bear with me, I'm going to try my best. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. It was very random. I did my hair in this vlog, as you can see, my hair looking cute or whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys have a lovely day.
Future is unlimited. But before God wants this for the organization, he wants it for the organism. What are you saying, Pastor Mike? World. Even if you're watching this on rebroadcast, there's no distance. God sees you right there. You can put your hands down. Right now, we're going to pray together. You said, God, I want you to come in.
What?
So before you do all of that, turn on your camera. I need you to record yourself quickly.
My camera's on.
No, is it record as in record?
Yeah, I'm recording, so it's recording me.
Okay, cool. So go to Mom's room.
Yeah.
There's a box by her where she keeps her work bag.
Yeah.
There's a box there, Amazon box. Go get it and bring it back.
Where she keeps her bag. Oh, okay, yeah, I've seen that. What have you done?
Okay, yeah, bring it.
What have you done?
Can you just go and get it? Just don't talk. Just do what I told you to do. For
What? We're in the family, Misha.
That's your bloody life. Do what I told you to do.
I'm doing so. You know what's so annoying? I was actually gonna ask her, what's this box? Because I remember when it came, I think I'm the one that received it.
Oh, okay.
And she didn't open it. She didn't ask me to open it. I was just thinking, what's she planned?
Oh yeah, just open it.
My sister told me to go and get a box. Huh?
Good. Yeah, go on. Go.
My sister told me to go and pick up a box. I don't know what it is. Something's moving inside of it, so.
It's an animal.
What did you do?
Just open it. What's your problem?
I'm recording.
What is actually your problem?
Okay. Hold on, let me zoom you guys out a little bit. My room is a mess, so.
Who cares?
My room is always a mess. I think they know that by now. What have you done? What have you done, this girl? Oh, this is annoying. There's a box inside of a box. I hate stuff like this. What is it?
You know what? What is it? What is it?
I don't like surprises. Just tell me.
Just be careful that you don't break it. Okay, there you go.
Shouldn't break it.
This girl's a clown, I swear.
Oh my god.
No, but you're actually a drama queen.
Do you know what it is? Oh my god.
No, but you're crying.
Let me explain. This one's gonna go in my vlog. I was literally rustling up money so I could buy myself or like make my own advent calendar, because all the advent calendars were just out of my budget. And like I was literally breaking my back during Black Friday trying to pick things that I could put in my advent calendar. Oh my god, you guys! You guys, my sister got me the Amazon beauty calendar. Oh my god! Nah, what? Why can't I get it out? Come out! It's not coming out.
Just rip the active boxes in. Oh,
No. And do you know what's so annoying? When I went back, I was actually gonna like just buy it, just be like, oh, do you know what? I can't be bothered anymore. But then when I went back, it was sold out.
It's always sold out.
Oh my
Of course,
god.
in October.
You guys, this box has been sitting inside of this house like for like a whole month.
Yeah.
Legit. Nah, this is crazy. You're crazy. Is this my Christmas present?
Yeah.
Oh my god! That makes so much sense.
I've been wanting to get your beauty calendar for the past 3 years. I just don't have money.
Oh, you guys. It's bigger than my head. You guys. She got me an
Oh, there's actually full-size products.
They're full-size products, yeah. And then my mom, because I ain't finna downplay my mom's. My mom got me a Haribo advent calendar. I just love how you guys understand that I'm still a child.
You're not a child.
I am a whole ass kid, okay? You guys look. Oh my god.
You're making too much.
Oh sis. I don't even remember what's inside of it, so this is actually going to be quite fun. I don't actually remember what's inside of it, so this is going to be quite fun.
Yeah.
Oh my god. You just bought me 24 makeup products. You just bought me 24 makeup products.
Yeah, so that's your Christmas present to year 24.
That's only 2 years away.
Next year, you better have a boyfriend. Because I'm a Jack.
Are you not hearing this?
Jack.
Oh my god. My sister keeps on surprising me. Like, I don't know what her problem is. Like,
It's finished. It's finished.
what's your problem? Hi, you guys. I have finished the front section of my hair. Low-key hurts. It's like literally fresh braids again. Let me just throw it over to this side. Woo. I'm gonna be a baddie. Don't even chat to me, I'm a baddie. Listen, who gonna tell me I'm not cute? Who? Who gonna tell me I'm not cute? Who? I wish they would. I wish they would. Hello you guys, it's Christmas! Woohoo! It's Christmas. It's time to wear my reindeer ears. Oh, how does it work, bruv? What's this? What did they say this was? Reindeer ear boppers. Brother. I don't know. Oh, it's for the nose, I'm guessing. Look at my reindeer ears. It doesn't work with my hair up like this, but that's what we're gonna do. And this is my reindeer nose. I'm gonna take this off because this is already irritating me. It's Christmas. I'm going to go set up my tree. It's the 1st of December. Thank you God for bringing us to another month. It is amazing. I'm so excited for the rest of this month. I've just told God I just want to be surprised this month. I normally ask for that every single month, every single December, and it typically scares me because that's how we ended up in COVID. But I just want a surprise this year, God. Yeah, but we're gonna go downstairs and set up the tree in the living room. I don't have any decorations for my room this year, but maybe I'll figure out something. I'll check on Amazon tonight and see if I can get like a little tree and stuff like that, so I can put on like my thing here. But yeah, other than that, let's go set up the tree. I also opened up my advent calendar, but I forgot to do it on the screen, but it's okay, on the camera, sorry, but it's all right. Here we are. You can check it out on my Instagram, and if you're not following me on Instagram, go and follow me on Instagram because that is rude and disrespectful. We follow each other on Instagram. Thank you very much. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Okay, you guys, just had to cut off the music real quick because you know how YouTube can be. But I'm going to be setting up the Christmas tree today. I'm going to do like a time lapse basically, and you're going to basically see me set up my, I think it's 6 foot. Is it 7 foot, mum? 7 foot, it's a Christmas tree, 7 foot. 7 foot Christmas tree. I do it by myself every year because my family members just don't participate. But it's okay because I have a blast doing it, okay? I bought some like new bits, but you didn't see last year, so really and truly everything is new to you. So here we go. Merry Christmas. Hey guys, it is the 3rd of December today, I think. I'm just lighting a candle and I've been in bed all day. I've kind of had a really bad headache, so I've just been trying to take it easy. This candle has been giving me issues. Like, the wick, I know it is it needs to be cut, and I did try and trim it yesterday, but it just keeps on flopping, so I just keep on trying to melt the wax around it. I don't even know why I'm telling you this because no one asked. But anyways, how are you guys doing? I had a post on Instagram yesterday that went really well, and I've just been so ecstatic. Sometimes don't you feel like when you post something, well, this is for the content creators anyways, don't you feel like when you post something and it does really well, you're like, oh, now I need to do something equally as good? But I just cancelled that spirit, because that's how you be stuck and you won't actually produce anything because you're stuck in this, I need to match my last level, and that's not how content creation works. Content creation works off of your ideas and out of your creativity. Like, you can't be stuck in perfectionism, you will not get anything done. Anyways, that's a different sermon for another day. I just hope this stays alight for long enough so that it can actually burn properly. Just got bare masks flying around the whole place. Yesterday I deeped that I need to get a job. I mean, I work. Yes, I do. I work currently, but it's just loads of different bits. Do you know what I mean? It's not just one solid, this is my job. Which I kind of did pray for. I did pray for this. I mean, I did kind of want this type of role, but I think now that it's actually here, I'm actually kind of shook about it. So there's that. Oh, do I need the papers? Taking up my bins and stuff, just sorting out my life. Let's open day 3 of Advent calendar. I've already opened up my Haribo one because there's nothing exciting there. So I'm just gonna eat that. Oh, my battery's gonna die. Okay, let's do this quickly. Amazon Beauty Advent calendar, day 3. I hope today is piece of makeup. Just been getting bare skincare. I want some makeup. Oh, it's nail polish. Nails ink nail polish. A red one. I guess it's cute. Matches the festivities, but if you know me, you know that I only do 3 types of colours, which is pink, white, or pink and white, or nude. That's the only 3 I do, so nothing exciting. But anyways, I'm gonna go. Just thought I'd check in. I need to edit this vlog as soon as possible. Yeah, bye. Hi you guys, welcome to the vlog. It is, I don't know my phone. Oh, my phone's here. It is Friday the 4th of December. I'm gonna close out the vlog here because I just need to edit it and put it up. I don't even know what's in this vlog. I don't even remember. But I'm pretty sure it was me inside this room again. But yeah, basically I have my jacket on because I'm waiting for, I need to go to the post office, but I'm waiting for the Royal Mail. So if Royal Mail comes before the post office, then that's great. But I need them to kind of speed up. It's around this time that they normally come, so they haven't brought the letters or anything. And I'm still waiting for a couple deliveries, so I don't want to miss it. But yeah, I'm going to open up my advent calendar on Instagram right now. So I'm just going to keep you guys here and we can talk together. Let me not lie, I low-key opened it. Oh god. Hi you guys.